Welcome to Kamin Kanazawa, where your journey into refined elegance begins, and booking your exclusive experience is effortless. Discover the magic by scanning the QR code or find the descriptive link below. Nestled in the captivating heart of Kanazawa, Japan, this 4.5-star sanctuary awaits. From the moment you enter, prepare to be embraced by an atmosphere of understated sophistication, where impeccable service and exquisite design converge to create an unforgettable experience. Indulge in the comfort of meticulously appointed rooms and suites, each a testament to refined taste and attention to detail. Every element, from the carefully selected furnishings to the tranquil ambience, is designed to soothe the senses and elevate your stay. Savor culinary delights that celebrate the rich flavors of Japan, each dish an artful expression of local traditions and seasonal ingredients. Perhaps you'll unwind with a rejuvenating treatment at the spa, or simply find serenity within the hotel's thoughtfully designed spaces. Families will find solace in our family-friendly accommodations where children aged 5 and under stay free of charge. Experience the utmost convenience with complimentary parking and effortlessly maintain your wardrobe with our dedicated laundry service. Kamin Kanazawa is an invitation to immerse yourself in a world of unparalleled luxury, a realm where every desire is anticipated and every moment is cherished. Before you venture forth, do remember the QR code. A simple scan will ensure your swift return to Kamin Kanazawa, your sanctuary in Kanazawa.